Imagine living life like it's a riddle where every step is a cryptic clue. Sounds intriguing, right? But here's the twist. Most men decipher these clues too late. Welcome to Stoic Island, the place where ancient wisdom meets modern life. I'm your guide on this philosophical journey, and today we're unraveling 8 Stoic lessons men learned too late in life. You see, life is not just about the destination, it's about mastering the art of living wisely along the way. So let's unlock these secrets together and get a head start. Lesson 1, the art of crafting happiness. First up, let's tackle happiness, that elusive butterfly everyone's trying to catch. Seneca, a Stoic heavyweight, believed happiness wasn't something you stumbled upon but something you build like a skilled craftsman with his tools. In our digital age, bombarded with images of perfect lives, it's easy to think happiness is an external conquest. Big mistake. True joy bubbles up from within. It's not about the car you drive or the likes on your Instagram. It's about mastering your inner world. When you seek happiness in others, be it a partner, friend, or even a guru, you're setting up a house of cards. What if they leave or change, your happiness crumbles? Instead, build your happiness on the solid rock of self-awareness and inner serenity. That's Stoicism 101. Lesson 2, embracing life's impermanence. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic and Roman emperor, penned this gem. All things fade into the storied past and in a trice are shrouded in oblivion. Sounds bleak? Not quite. It's a wake-up call to embrace life's fleeting nature. The joy of your child's first steps, the sorrow of losing a loved one, they're chapters in the great book of life. This transience is what makes moments precious. So when you're riding high on the waves of success, savor it. When you're in the trenches, chin up. This too shall pass. This Stoic lesson teaches us resilience, humility, and the ability to live fully, no matter the season. Lesson 3, life's unfair advantage. Now let's talk about fairness, or the lack thereof. Life isn't a game with a level playing field. Some are born with silver spoons, others with none. Stoicism doesn't sugarcoat this. Instead, it offers a toolkit for thriving amidst injustice. Complaining about life's unfairness is as effective as yelling at the rain to stop. The Stoic approach? Focus on what you can control, your actions, your reactions, and your mindset. Remember, diamonds are just chunks of carbon that did well under pressure. Embrace your challenges. They're the forge of character and resilience. Lesson 4, the courage to risk. Risk. A 4-letter word that can either spell fear or growth. The Stoics were no strangers to risk. They embraced it as part of life's fabric. Think about it, every significant achievement in history involved risk. Love, career, and personal growth, they all demand stepping into the unknown. Yes, it's scary. Yes, it's uncertain. But oh, the rewards. Remember, fortune favors the bold. A Stoic knows that a life played safe is a life half lived. So ask out that person you've been secretly admiring. Start that business. Write that book. Live your truth. Lesson 5, the power of now. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher who knew a thing or two about hardship, stressed the importance of living in the now. Dwelling in the past or obsessing over the future is like trying to sail with your anchor down. It's exhausting and futile. Sure, plan for the future, but don't live in it. Learn from the past, but don't dwell there. The present is where life happens. It's where you can make a difference, find joy, and experience life in its fullness. This lesson isn't about neglecting your future. It's about enriching your present. Lesson 6, the maze of overthinking. Have you ever found yourself lost in the labyrinth of your thoughts? That's overthinking, and it's a trap. The Stoics knew the dangers of this mental maze. Overanalyzing every little thing can paralyze you. What if I fail? What if they don't like me? These thoughts are chains that bind you to inaction. The Stoic solution? Action. The action breaks the chains of overthinking. It's the torch that lights the way out of the mental maze. When in doubt, do something. It's better to act and learn than to freeze and stagnate. Lesson 7, choosing your path. Your career, your calling, your path. It's a huge chunk of your life. Yet, so many drift into careers that don't resonate with their true selves. Stoicism teaches us to live in harmony with our nature. If you're passionate about art, don't chain yourself to a desk job that numbs your soul. If your heart sings in the great outdoors, don't confine it to a cubicle. This isn't about shunning responsibility. It's about aligning your life with your true nature. It's about investing in yourself, your skills, your growth, your dreams. That's the Stoic way. Lesson 8, the mind, a double-edged sword. Finally, let's talk about your mind, the most powerful tool at your disposal. The Stoics knew this. They taught that the mind could be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. It can lift you to heights unknown or drag you into the depths of despair. Train it well. Cultivate a mindset of growth, resilience, and positivity. Your thoughts shape your reality. Weed out negativity, plant seeds of optimism, and watch your garden flourish. Remember, the battleground of life is primarily in the mind. Win there and you win everywhere. And there you have it, 8 Stoic lessons that can transform your life if learned early. These aren't just philosophical musings, they're practical tools for everyday living. Apply them and watch your life change for the better. If this journey through Stoic wisdom resonated with you, show us some love. Hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out our other videos for more insights into the Stoic way of life. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, in the grand tapestry of life, every thread counts.